I want to show you this beautiful makeup mirror. We have a power, we can put it here. We just can use a Type-C here also. Like this, you just need to put it here. And it will be open, and inside you have a mirror with a light. If you put, you can turn the light on and off. Makeup mirror have a function that you can turn your mirror like this, and you can put it on the table and just look at the mirror. Also, you can use your brushes here. You just take the brush and use it on your makeup on. So you just take brushes from your brushes here and use it with your makeup. So I think it's really good purchase. If you buy it, you will be so satisfied of it, because I really love it. So it's so beautiful. It's so good. The quality is the best, because the first time I see it, I really want it.